This is the picturesque village of Maentwrog in Meirionydd. The settlement is ancient. The church was founded by Saint Twrog, a missionary to Wales who's reputed to have been born in Brittany and who lived in the 6th century. The village is mentioned by name in the Mabinogion, which was first written in the 12th century. It says that Pryderi was buried at Maentwrog near Meirionydd, having been killed in combat by the wizard Gwydion on the banks of the river Dwyrid. A stone, Maentwrog, can be seen in the churchyard just behind me, and it's said that marks his grave. George Borrow's book, Wild Wales, published in 1862, includes an amusing incident which supposedly took place in the Grapes Inn in the village. While on his walk across Wales, the author got talking to a serious-looking gentleman who told him he believed in divine predetermination and that he believed he was destined for damnation. George Borrow replied that he believed in divine prescience and that he hoped to be saved. After discussing this for a considerable time, Borrow took leave of the gentleman, who he said was looking very miserable, perhaps finding that he was not quite so certain of eternal damnation as he had hitherto supposed. In any case, the Grapes is still a thriving pub and the village is well worth a visit.